Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Sorry, it's not a daily, it's weekly analysis. As today it's Sunday. So hey, last week, guys, things were tough. The market was like seriously going up and down. And you know what? If we survived last week, we can survive any other week. So the market was just seriously volatile. Why? We had some Fed interest rates, they increased with 50 basis points. Plus, there was also NFP on Friday. Then, yeah, but I did not see much of a move. But later on, when the market opened, we saw the market was trying to sell off, then trying to recover. And that is possible because the market is actually like on a very serious pressure. But what I'm expecting here is I'm expecting the market to continue like this. I'm expecting the market to continue like this. This year, things they're going to be like seriously tough until we get out of this pressure. Especially, we have some inflations, there is war going on, and so much stuff. But if maybe one of them, there's also pandemic. If one of those things try to cool down, maybe we'll see the market trying to recover. But one way or another, stuff like this did happen years ago, and the market was able to recover after that. So it means even now we're still going to recover. That's why actually I also want to talk about like investing, guys. When we make our small profits, whatever, let's learn to invest. Let's learn. Firstly, you can reinvest on your account so that you can have a bigger account. But after that, you can just try to buy shares, buy all those things to just to hold them, because I don't see myself trading like forever. Obviously, I think maybe in few years, maybe not few years, maybe let's say in less than 3 to 4 years, I think I'm not going to keep trading longer. I just want to put my money like on investing because everything will be fine. You see, as long as it's enough shares, it's enough everything. Yes, even if I do trade, it will be just sort of a part time. It won't just be like everyday thing. I have to wake up every day. No, I'm not going to do that. But what I can do is I can, we grow up, guys. We can transition from just doing the daily analysis like this and maybe to do the analysis of different companies that I want to buy shares, and maybe something like that will still happen. I don't think maybe I'll just keep saying, let's buy NASDAQ, let's buy this. No, you have to make sure that you grow up in this business. So what I want is to be like a serious investor and I start to buy shares. Actually, I should have my own hedge fund. This, I've been dreaming about this for some time, but it's coming. It's coming. So let's check the market. Let's check the market. What's really happening on the market? Hey, this computer, man. Okay, it's fine. So what's really happening here is on Bitcoin. We are on Bitcoin now. I'm surprised Bitcoin is not like moving on Sunday. I thought maybe it was like 24/7, 7 days a week today. Maybe it's this broker, maybe. Because I see that this thing is not really moving, you see. So what's really happening is that we see that the market is actually on a sell, on a downtrend. We can see that if we check from this area, we see that, oh, this thing, it reached like 66,000 or maybe 68,000. Then since it was going down, it's quite similar to what happened on NASDAQ US30. The market was very, very high around December, there, January there. Then the market started to push lower. And the market is finding it hard to recover. You see, the market is like, it's finding, there is some sort of issues actually going on, because we can see we around here we have some sort of, maybe we can say, our strongest support ever, since we have this crazy sell-off. But still, even if it's like that, we can see that once the market is pushing up, we have this sort of resistance there. Another one, the market tried to push up, then we got some sort of a resistance. So it shows that the market is actually struggling currently. But remember, as long as you do your analysis, whether the market is struggling or not, you're still going to make money. Not like crazy money, you're still going to make money. Sometimes you're going to lose, sometimes you're going to miss some opportunities, which is something that you should You should just notice that the market, you won't get every opportunity in the market, you see. So I hope you're going to learn from that. We don't get each and every opportunity in the market. Even if we do the analysis every day, you should know about that. And that, if you start to realize that, you're not going to be even greedy on the market, you see. Because once you miss something, then tomorrow is going to be something, you see. So what I see is the market just, there's some sort of a support there. Maybe because around this area we had a very nice downtrend pushing lower. It seems like maybe we'll find something like this around this area, maybe another support there. I mean, maybe the market will respect this area and try to push up. But remember, still the market, it seems to be struggling. We don't know where the market will reach, you see. We don't know where the market will reach. So there's possibility that the market might bounce back around this area, might find its resistant anyway. So it means that actually at the moment, the best thing that we can do when the market is struggling like this, the best thing that we can do is to look for sell positions. Look for the market, for positions where the market is pushing to the lower side, because that is the easiest one, because you will be flowing with the market. Simple as that, you see. So on Bitcoin, I don't see anything, but the structure maybe might be telling us that the market is going to go like that. But actually, we are still bearish on Bitcoin. Almost on so much stuff that we do here, we are on bearish. Most of them, they are on bearish. So we are on German 40. Remember, guys, this is a day, it's a weekly time frame. So it's a weekly analysis, which means that we look for like bigger moves actually on a 4-hour time frame. So what's really happening at the moment? The market is still on that sell. Actually, the market is still pushing lower. Where is our support area? It's very down there, around 12,400. Let's say 12,500. It's where I think maybe the market might reach. So it means, yes, maybe the market might still try to push up, but maybe we will see another sell-off going on. I think there's so much stuff that we just need to be like, make sure that we watch the news, and after you watch the news, you will understand why I say there is so much stuff going on. That's why I'm still expecting a sell move. You see, whatever that we had as a bullish move, that was just short-lived. Actually, the market is on selling spree. So we will see the market pushing lower. We're still bearish, but at the moment the market is already low. It means maybe we might see some sort of rejection before we can continue doing what? Continue selling. I don't really want to make this video because I think everything is just straightforward. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. There is a join button. If you want to be part of the team, you can just join that. If you want to thank me, you can also thank me on the video. Whether you want to spend $2 or 30 rands, anything, just support the channel. Just support the channel. Once you support the channel, the more information that I'm going to share here. I already share like a lot of information. So, but if you give me that support, guys, that like it helps very, very much. So thank you very much for that. It seems like we went back. So let's go. Okay, we're going up. Okay. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? So we will try to squeeze this thing out so that we can try to see if maybe if we go back here and try maybe to draw something like this, maybe we'll find something as a support area, because the market is extremely selling. So when something like that happens, we just need to go, or like here, go back on a bigger time frame and see maybe we can get something. Guys, while I'm watching this, I'm currently like on Bloomberg TV, so I can see that Jerome Powell is still speaking. I think maybe it's just what happened last week. So if you missed that, maybe you were at work or whatever, it's time for you to watch that and understand what was really happening, because sometimes we can't able to explain that every day, like here when I do the analysis and tell you exactly what he said. No, but if you go and watch that, it's on YouTube. It's on YouTube. Try to understand what's really happening. Try to understand the statement that you are saying, and try to see what the market was doing. that is part of learning. As long as you want to make money, that is part of learning. So it's something that you should have, you see, something that you should do. Actually, around this area, we see that, let me just go on a daily time frame. I can see that the market actually, we have a support area there. Do you see that? I'm trying to zoom this thing out. We have a support around this area. This is a very nice support. So actually, yeah, the market actually reached that area, but not very close. So there is a possibility that the market might still reach this area before maybe giving us some very nice bullish move. But we can see that the market was like seriously selling. So after that, it's where we can say, let's go close and see what's really happening. But I think the market is just on that bearish move, you see. So let's go on maybe 1 hour. We just want to look around this part and see maybe if there's something that is interesting. Okay. We're on bearish momentum. The market just broke out of this. Let's clear that because the market is like seriously breaking all those things. So once we removed that, we see that actually the market is trying. It seems like it's giving us this sort of a bullish move, and when we draw our support area, it makes sense. So the question is, will the market come back and reach this area here before pushing up? Yes, the market might do that, but remember, sometimes it's not like it happens every day. The market might still give us this gap here and then start to push the upside. That is possible. So, but there's still a room for the market to do that. Why? Because if maybe we try to draw whatever that we draw here, we will still see that actually the market is still under the bearish move. So we should have, we must be careful. We must be careful. But the best thing that I'm going to do is, even tomorrow there's still other analysis. Tuesday, Wednesday, there's analysis, so you can't miss those good moves every day. So what we can do is, tomorrow before 12, around there, early in the morning, check my analysis. Then you're going to see what's really happened, because I'm here for you actually. Then try to subscribe because you don't really want to miss. And remember, we also go live sessions every day before NASDAQ open, or you can just call it US open, and we go live. Then we try to see what we can do on NASDAQ and stuff like that. And for those who want to join the team, here is my contacts. It's $300, 12 months mentorship and VIP signals. If you want only signals, monthly signals is $45. Simple as that. There are my WhatsApp or Telegram. Then you can just talk to me there, you see. So let's see what's really happening. I think the market is still on that bearish move. But we need to see this, if maybe the market will continue with this sort of a bullish move, so that we can adjust to that very quickly, because on a bigger time frame, it still shows us that the market might still, but I don't know if maybe the market really touched this, but it's possible that the market can still come back here and touch our support before pushing to the upside. Then we can have confident buying the market, because now the market is seriously selling off. Simple as that. So let's move to the next one, which is US oil. US oil has been like moving nicely, moving to the upside, but like dominantly it was dominant going to the upside. But when we check the structure, it's very sketchy. Why? Because we have war, and Russia and stuff like that. They have enough oil, so obviously the market will react to that. So what we see now is the market is actually on a bullish move. Actually, it's on a very nice bullish move. We can try maybe to draw something like this. Maybe we'll see the market coming back around that area, something like that. So maybe let me just clear this. The market is still on bearish. Remember last week, Europe actually, I don't know if maybe they just proposed to ban US or Russian oil in about 6 months. If they agree to that, then we're going to see like some very spiky move on US oil, obviously, but actually it's a Russian oil, because it also dominates actually. So it means we'll still see another room for the market to push the upside, especially on US oil. I think the market can still reach there, obviously. It's starting to get cold, yeah. So yeah, it's something like that. So obviously, I think the market might still push to the upside, as the market is actually on this small bullish move actually, and even the news that we hear, they're not actually good for oil, which means we might still see enough push to the upside. But for the entries and stuff like that, we'll see that tomorrow. We'll see where the market is going to reject, because the best thing that you can do is wait for the market to give you some small rejections before you say you jump on the market. Simple as that. Don't fight the market, by the way. Wait for a small rejection before you jump on the market. We understand that, yes, that might be a bullish move and stuff like that, but it doesn't mean that you should just buy instantly and expect something to happen. You're gonna lose, and we don't. No one likes to lose. No one likes to lose, guys. You see. So we are on US30. I hope you already subscribed, guys. We are on US30 currently. What's really happening? It seems like the market has been going up for some time, like you can see there. Now the market is doing what? The market is going down. But around this area, do you see this area? Do you see this here? And where the market is at the moment, it seems like we had something. If we connect that area, it might give us something. I'm not saying that the market will strictly respect that, but it's something that I think, you see this area? It's where I think maybe the market will respect. I think the market might respect that area. And if it respects that area, maybe we might see a very aggressive push to the upside. If we go closer, we can see that, yes, we had a few moves going down, but this one was aggressive, because if you look here, we have like several candlesticks going down, but this area here, all these candlesticks, they were just aggressive. It's 1, 2, 3, the market already is down. So it means the sell-off was like seriously aggressive. Around this area, we also have some sort of resistance. So we just need to see what's really happening. I think this year, actually, the market, or maybe most of the month, the market will be just consolidating, going up and down. That's what I see. You see, that's what I see. So I think the market is gonna maybe try to consolidate, but you know what? If the market respects that area, I'm expecting to buy. Actually, the market did touch that. So on Monday, which is tomorrow, we'll look for some nice bullish moves. I think the market will still push the upside, unless if maybe the market wants to break this area. It's gonna be a different story, because the market has been selling. Then if the market breaks this area, oh yeah, it's gonna be like tough. Then we will see the market pushing up to where I don't really know much. I don't really know if the market will keep, where will the market find that support. But at the moment, we are on that support, and the market just bounced back very quickly. So I'm hoping that maybe the market will push to the upside. Simple as that, you see. So for you to learn all these skills, because you can't just learn them by watching me doing this, you just have to join the team's VIP. Just join the mentorship. It's 12 months straight. Man, this is just a full course actually, because I'll be here the whole 12 months. You just pay that once, you see. So what's really happening here on NASDAQ is the market is also on seriously bearish move. So let me clear some of this. So the market is seriously on a bearish move. So what's really happening is, on NASDAQ, it's a different story. I can't say maybe there is like an area where I can say maybe it's going to be a very strong support, whatever. Why? Because this area is very old, guys. This area is very old. So, and if we check on our left, we had these areas where the market was just breaking non-stop, and it doesn't even look like maybe the market around this level, the market tried to respect them. The market did not do that. The market was just flowing. The market was just selling. So at the moment, what do we see? What I see is I can just easily see that the market is actually on a very, very strong bearish move. So what I'm still expecting the market to push the lower side. Why? Around this area, if you still remember, on Friday, around this area, let me zoom so that you can see nicely. Around that area, obviously, we had a sort of a resistance, of a support, because You can see the market was respecting that area, but the move was very aggressive. The move went down, then up. Sorry, went up. Sorry, went down actually. Then very quickly went up, and the last few hours before the market closes, the market went back again. Sorry. And we actually made money on Friday because that is something that I sent on Friday. And when there's rejections, they were just going up and down. I think we were already out. But actually, last week was very a difficult week to trade because we had this sort of look at these moves. Look at these moves. Some of the move, the market was just consolidating. So it was difficult, a bit of like enough rejections, enough of volatility in the market. So that made the market to be way too difficult actually for us to trade, because we don't just trade the whole day. We wait for a certain time. We wait for the market to open before we can get some nice trades, something like that, you see. But what I see is maybe the market will close below. Obviously, the market closed below that support. Maybe we will see the market push into the lower side. That is still possible, but we just need to wait and see. This area is the area that I think maybe the market might respect. We don't know. But this is some very strong sell-off. If the market can reach 10,000, it's going to be a different story actually. This is going to be... Actually, this time is very, very good time to buy shares. If the market reaches this area, it's possible. If the market reached that area, maybe, or maybe 11,000, because it seems like I never thought maybe the market will even reach 12,000 because we were on 16,000, but now it's happening. So it means the market can reach anywhere, you see. So yeah, there is possibility that the market might keep selling off until I don't know when, until I don't know where the market will support, but I think the market is still on sell-off. So what can we do now? Since the market just broke out of this area, we will just wait for maybe a smaller retest, and then we can keep selling. Or maybe the market might try to push the upside, and maybe we will find another respect around this area. Maybe that on that resistance, then we can say, you know what, maybe it's our time to do what, to sell again. But the market structure, it's everything. Wait for the market structure to show you something. Remember, on Friday, I told you that, you know what, as it's the end of the week, try to identify the problems that you have in the market. And once you identify those issues this week, from tomorrow, try to tackle that. But remember, one problem at a time. One problem at a time. If you have problem with stop losses or maybe whatever, lot sizes, try your best to go straight to that topic. Try to improve from that. You can take the whole week trying to do one thing. You see, try the whole week trying to do one thing. The other week, tackle another problem. That way, it's how we grow, and we grow very quickly. But the best thing is, try to be in my team. I'm going to show you it's possible. If you try to be in my team, I will show you that it's way too possible actually to understand the market, and you will start to see some small profits. Obviously, there is no miracle. There is no miracle where maybe you will just join now and you start to become like way too profitable, because yes, emotions, they're still there. You still may be afraid because maybe you never had the same knowledge. But what I love is you will see things that you were not able to see. You will start to understand the structures that you were not understanding. You will start to be like, to have that confidence. The biggest thing in the market is to have that confidence. I want you to have that confidence. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, we can call this a day. Tomorrow is still another day. Thank you very much. Bye.